Hey guys, this is how to fix Money Network app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So for the first solution is just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and just simply search for the application. And after that guys, just simply tap on the app and make sure you have the latest version, and when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And another thing is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, for the second solution, it's just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And now from here, just simply scroll down and try to find the application over here, which is a Money Network. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on the application. And now from here, tap on storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix it if you launch the app. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, the third solution is just simply hold the application into your device and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And from there, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, guys, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.